Hey. No, there's nothing on my lip.
Why are you recording?
Yeah, you don't have to record. Out here it's really rainy, really gross. We got the Cookout sign, burgers, barbecue, hot dogs, shakes. Yes. Listen. Hey guys, it's Madison and I'm here with Sadie.
Hello.
And Cameron.
Hello.
And it is a fast food Friday. You heard me right. We're starting a new segment on my channel where we go around and try different fast foods and tell you what we think about them. So today we're going to be testing French fries from different fast food restaurants and comparing them by taste, texture, and price. We're going to give them a rating out of 5 stars for each of those categories. Sorry, let's get Sadie somewhere in the camera. There, this is horrible. And then we are going to divide the total for each of those categories by 3 to come up with a 5-star rating for each different fry. And then we will tell you which one won at the end of the video. The places we're going to be testing today are Arby's, Burger King, Wendy's, McDonald's, Bojangles, and Cookout. So, stay tuned. We'll see you guys when we get our first thing of fries. Bye! Hey, guys. We're at our first drive-thru. Where are we, Cameron?
We're at our first drive-thru. We're at Arby's.
Yep. We're gonna be ordering a large curly fry. Stay tuned. No, thank you. They're really hot, so just wait. Okay, is it recording?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So we'll start with price first. These cost $2.87 for a carton this big. It's like my face size, which I think is pretty big, but they didn't fill it up all the way, so
Probably should have shown them what
oh well. For me, I would say I would give the price 2 stars out of 5. I think it's pretty expensive.
Yeah, $2.87.
What is your star rating?
Oh. It's 2 stars.
1.5 stars from Cameron. Okay, so now we are gonna do a taste test. So everyone grab a fry. Let me get a bigger one. I'll do this really nice curly one.
Yeah, me
These are really hot, so you mark, get set, go.
These are better than I remembered.
Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you.
These are amazing.
This is 5 stars for me on taste and texture. I think that the taste and texture are perfect. I really do. What do you think, Sadie?
4.5.
On both taste and texture?
I'm sorry. 4.5 on taste, 5 on texture.
4 on taste and 4 on texture.
Okay. Tough critic back there. We're gonna finish eating these and then we'll see you at Cookout. I don't want to show people's license plates, so I'll just quickly whoop.
I don't think you can see it because the windows are kind of blurry because of the rain.
I don't know, but whatever. We're trying to secure the fries. We're also gonna get some drinks to help clear our palates. And I will I'll hit you up. No, I won't. I will get back on this video when we get the food. Sadie likes this just being flat on her face like this. Wait, I can't even zoom in. Oh, that was creepy. Okay. Okay, bye. Okay, let's see how much these cost. Okay, for a large fry, these were $1.99. That means they were close to $2 cheaper than Arby's. The packaging looks like this. And it was filled overflowing from the top. So, for me, I would rate the price on these a 4 stars out of 5. What would you give it?
4.
3.
3? Okay. Now for taste and texture. Here we go.
Oh, we're eating.
It's a mukbang. To me, this just tastes like a fry.
5 out of 5. Both taste and texture for me.
What do you think?
What I think is these actually surprised me. I thought they were gonna be kind of gross, but they're actually pretty good. I would say for taste, maybe a 3, and for texture, a 3 too, because it's not very I don't know if I just got a bad fry, but it's very chewy instead of
Mushy, not crispy.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I'll give it a 4 for taste and a 3 for texture. The taste is fine. It
I love
tastes
Cookout
good.
fries.
The texture isn't crispy enough, in my opinion. But I also sort of like the mushiness, so I don't know.
Yeah, I did too.
We're gonna finish eating. We'll see you at Wendy's.
59, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
For a small fry? $1.59.
Okay, so, hey y'all. I just want to comment on this for a minute. We didn't order the large because it was $2.29, and I just don't want to be spending like almost $3 every time. So we got the small, and the total came out to $1.59 for a
crazy.
small fry.
That's insane.
What's your thoughts?
That's way too much.
I know.
This is gonna be a 2 again for me,
mine's
price wise.
0.
It's gotta
But
be.
their large is still cheaper than Arby's was.
So,
Okay,
hello.
for price I gave it 2 stars. Sadie
I
gave
give
it
it
what?
0.
0.
I gave it 1.
A 1. And so now we're gonna do the taste test. Oh yeah, that's what the small size is, which
It's
is bigger
pretty
than
big.
we thought,
Yeah.
but
Fries up.
still expensive. Okay, here we go. Hmm. I really like the way these taste. I'm gonna be honest.
I don't
They're better than usual, I think.
personally. I don't exactly like it because this tastes plain to me. I feel like you could buy some frozen fries and then heat them up and they would taste better. Because these don't taste like anything. But they have good texture, which kind of
Okay,
makes up for the lacking in taste. But
I know my rating.
Yeah, me too.
It's a 4.5 for taste for me and a 5 for texture. The texture is exactly what I want.
I would say a 4 for taste and a 5 for texture.
a 2 for taste and 4.5 in texture.
Solid. Okay, we got a medium. It costs $2.34. That's ridiculous in my opinion. However, McDonald's large fry, as most of you probably know, is really large. So I think I'll give this once again a 2 out of 5 stars for price.
Same.
I'll give it a 2. Same.
Why did I do that?
Okay. Oh, I started eating already. Whoop. Price, we gave our thoughts on already. Taste.
Oh, wait.
Okay. I'll tell you my thoughts on it. The taste isn't as high as I was thinking.
Yeah.
But, dipped in ketchup, I think it's good.
It tastes. These fries taste weird.
Yeah, these don't taste as good as usual.
That's weird. They do taste kind of strange.
They taste bland.
It's funky.
Okay, well, just based off of what they usually taste like, I'm gonna give it a 4.5 for taste, and then 4 for texture.
I give it a 5 for texture, but a 4 for taste, I think.
I'll give them about maybe a 4 for texture and about 3 for taste.
Okay. These were expensive.
Yeah,
I give it a 2 again.
I give a 1. There we go.
3.
Okay. Mm-mm.
Five in taste and 5 in texture.
Really? I think it's a 3 in taste for me. A 4.5 in texture.
It's like 3 in taste and a 5 in texture.
They're okay. Oh. Also, we decided we're not gonna do Burger King. Our stomachs are too full, and we just think that their fries are pretty forgettable.
Yeah.
So, sorry. So, that was the end of the video, I guess. We're gonna include, like, our final listings of what we think were the best fries. I believe Arby's was on up there. I don't know which one won, but we will see when I edit this video. So, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below where your favorite place to get fries from is. I'll see you in the next one.
Notifications.
Yeah, notification bell. Thank you, Cameron. See you in the next video. Bye.